Hello guys, I'm going to the services, so I don't know what to expect. I will see if I'm going to reverse or something, so I want to show you maybe a reverse. Just keep watching. Cherwell Valley Services, 300 yard, 200 yard, 100 yard to the junction. I'm driving DEF. Is the latest technology. I found them better than Mercedes. Sorry Mercedes, but I have to say that the camera is much better. It's smaller and it's not really in the way. What's going on in here? I'm carrying a heavy load, so you have to be careful when you carry heavy loads like this. Take it easy and gentle. I don't think I will reverse in this. Never mind. When you are heavy, just take it easy around bends, you know. It's very hard because you may not control your truck HGV this way. I don't think I will reverse in this one. HGV. Yeah, never mind. No entry there. No, it's not reversing. Okay, but I can reverse here. Okay, just for you lads. Just take it easy, put your hazard right, so for that truck knows that you are reversing. There we go. Let's go in that space. Thank you. That's it. Put it brake and go to the services.